Iti question. So Ubaba also went to Russia. He also went to Russia. Listen to this. He left money in Russia. I thought you guys said Ubaba is not involved. MK is not involved. He also went to Russia. Listen to this.
A devastated mother, barely able to eat and sleep at night. Pumla Zuma, former President Jacob Zuma's sister-in-law, wants nothing but the safe return of her children, who are amongst the 19 South African men trapped in Ukraine. Her 3 sons and 5 grandchildren were recruited, allegedly by relatives, to train as bodyguards in Russia. They were promised jobs upon completion of the course. She says when the group arrived in Russia, they were made to sign contracts written in Russian. Thereafter, they were provided with uniforms, rifles and grenades, then sent out with Russian troops. None of her children had ever handled a gun, let alone a high-caliber rifle, she says.
Abakwazi ukuphatha ummese angisho ngoba kuzingane zami ngicabanga ukuthi zonke lezi zingane ihambile ziphila leyo mpilo.
They don't even carry knives, and I'm not just saying this because they are my children. All these children are the same. They know nothing about guns. Imagine being given a rifle and hand grenades and told go to war. We really didn't know things would turn out like this.
Zuma says the fact that her sons were recruited by family members makes the ordeal worse. She says she's asked former President Zuma to intervene, but so far there's no word on the men's return.
I spoke to Baba Zuma and he said he went to Russia but didn't meet with the Russian president. He also wrote a letter and left money so that the children could fly back home. He said he also requested that they be pulled out of the danger zones, but nothing has happened.
Zuma says her sons had been unemployed for years and desperation landed them in this situation.